Hi everyone, I am Dr. Aparna Gupta. I am an endodontist. I practice in Kolkata. I attended Dr. Bhavdeep Singh Ahuja's practice management course back in February 2022 last year, and the course has helped me tremendously in my day-to-day practice life. It is very detail oriented, it is very thorough, it is very practically based also. It helps us in day-to-day problems that happen in running our clinic, be it from a very thorough first consultation to staff management to inventory management to correctly pricing our treatments. It covers everything. It helps us in how to actually convince the patient for further treatments, how to manage patients who might be holding a grudge. It also helps us in managing our staff effectively. For me, the USP of the course was the pricing part. It genuinely helped me a lot in pricing my treatments better. Dr. Bhavdeep gave us a step-by-step guide as to what all we need to calculate, what all we need to see before we actually price our charges, and it should not just be based on what area we are working on. There is so much more to pricing than just the material and the lab charge. And I've been implementing the said techniques and principles from the last 1.5 to 2 years, and it has helped me tremendously in growing my practice, in making it more efficient, and helped me manage my staff, manage my pricing, manage my treatments overall a lot. And this is the part that is most often neglected by a lot many people, because clinical skills is what we learn in our BDS time and our house staffs and everything, but the practice management part, the entrepreneur part, is forgotten by most of us. So it really focuses on that, and it has helped me grow my practice to greater heights. So thank you to Dr. Bhavdeep for such a detailed course, and he was very kind enough to choose an afternoon timing which worked for a lot of us. So a big thank you, and I recommend this course to each and everyone, be it someone who's starting their practice to someone who's already 15 to 20 years in practice. It is gold for all. So thank you.